As the morning light hits the yard, our synchronized process ensures that only the best timber is selected for manufacturing.
Look at the grain right here, absolutely perfect.
Moisture content is stable. We can approve this one for the premium line. Keep an eye on the feed rate. We got another heavy shipment coming through.
Once cleaned, the logs move into the cutting hall. Here, giant bandsaws precisely shape the raw material for door manufacturing.
Moisture levels optimized. Beginning drying cycle.
We're seeing optimal drying conditions in Zone 3. Prepare for the final cool-down cycle at 1600.
Kiln cycle complete. Transferring seasoned lumber to machining department. All personnel maintain clear pathways.
See this crack here? That's not premium grade. Agreed. The sensors will catch it anyway. Make sure that one goes to the secondary stack.
Calibration complete. Dimensions verified.
The finish on this batch is exceptional.
Yeah, Flo.
Absolutely flawless. Send it to packing.
Our precision glue rollers ensure remarkable consistency, coating every surface evenly before lamination.
Our automated systems guarantee the highest quality timber, ready for the next stage of production. Our laser-guided systems scan every panel for consistency, detecting even the smallest variation in real time. Machine 7. Calibration check on the next batch of panels.
Utilizing state-of-the-art CNC technology, we transform simple wood into works of art, revealing the natural beauty within every groove.
Here at the heart of the factory, our CNC machines ensure every lock and hinge is perfectly aligned.
Our robotic sanding machines utilize fine grit belts to eliminate imperfections, while integrated vacuum systems ensure a flawless finish.
Make sure the edges are completely smooth before you pass it on. Yes, I double-checked this batch myself.
The air knife system ensures the timber is perfectly clean, utilizing high-velocity compressed air to remove all particulates before the coating process. The automated spray system ensures a flawless first coat every time. Synchronized application complete. Layer 1 finish is optimal. Conveyor advancing. New color sequence initiated. Sapphire blue application commencing on Unit 4. Color application sequence initiated. Final clear coat commencing. Surface smoothness optimized. The flawless finish reveals the natural beauty of the wood, with every grain pattern visible beneath the high-gloss protective coating. A durable, transparent finish is applied by our robotic systems, enhancing the shine while protecting against scratches and moisture. The finishing department ensures every door meets our high standards before moving to final assembly and inspection. Precision drilling sequence initiated. Next door entering assembly stage.
Installation sequence complete. Quality check verified.
The perfect blend of technology and luxury, ensuring every detail is flawless.
Test successful. Functional verification complete. Dimensions confirmed. Pass.
Found a minor abrasion near the hinge, but it's within tolerance.
Hardware alignment is perfect. Looks good to go.
Look at the reflection here. Beautiful work. No streaks at all.
This filler needs to be completely flush. Yeah, so I'll buff it out now. The color match is excellent.
Check the alignment on those tracking labels. We can't have a misread at packaging.
Looks good from here. The new printer calibrated well.
Soft, rotating brushes and filtered air ensure every surface is perfectly spotless.
System check complete. Line 5 is running at optimal efficiency. Base, this is Supervisor 1. The wrap is complete and looks good. Advise forklift for pickup.
Package scan complete. Proceed to next station. Automated system operational. Door package flow optimized.
All right, team, keep those shipments moving. We need to clear receiving by 3.
Roger that, Supervisor. Level 5 secured.
Inventory synchronization complete. All units accounted for in Sector Gamma 7. Please ensure clear pathways for automated transport.
Okay, bring the next pallet forward. Copy that, moving now. Make sure those are secured tightly before we roll out.
Hold your position at Dock 4. I'm right behind you.
Copy. Waiting for clearance.
Watch the alignment on that last pallet.
Looks good from here, secure.
Everything confirmed on screen. We are clear for shipment.
Perfect. Moving the next one now.
Pallet line 3. Doors secured for international freight. Ensure tracking labels are visible.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Looks good. I'll secure it.
Keep cranking, just a little more. All right, that should hold it. Secure the latch on that yellow one.
Checklist complete. Manifest matches the labels. Are we good for dispatch?
Yes, everything is verified. Approved.
Control to convoy. Golden hour run is approved. Let's move out.
Morning, here's the manifest for drop-off.
Thanks. Everything seems to be in order. You're all set.
As the sun sets on another day, our dedicated fleet ensures your products arrive.
The calibration on the new sander is holding steady.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the throughput. Experience the ultimate in wood finishing. Our new lacquer provides a flawless, glass-like shine.
Behold the flawless mirror gloss finish, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
Okay, move the next pallet of oak doors to staging area 3. We need this cleared by noon.
Perfect finish. Approved for shipping.
All systems nominal. Batch 74 complete. Quality check passed.
Bay 3 is clear for the next load. Over.
Roger that. Crane, move to stack 12.
Heads up, coming through.
A testament to human ingenuity and tireless effort. This factory stands as a beacon of industry,